So if you had an opportunity to speak with the United States Secretary of State, Mr. Rex Tillerson, what would you ask him? What would you say to him?
Well, the first thing I would say is, can you please check your borders, because guns are coming to Jamaica, and I feel some may be coming from your territory.
Yeah.
The next thing I would say is, how do we build the marijuana industry here, where you have nothing to say about it and you leave us alone to build our industry? However, we do know that the Secretary of State, Rex Tillerson, will arrive today for a working meeting with the Prime Minister.
For 3 hours. He'll be here for 3 hours.
Holness, holding bilateral talks with the Prime Minister on important matters, including national security, and that's going to be
when
an
they
important
said bilateral talks.
Two of them at a time.
Wait. Two of them at a time. Oh, okay.
Just to,
all right.
just to make it simple.
By the way, the Jamaica Immigration Consultant and Northeast U.S. Diaspora Advisory Board member, Kelia Lawrence Maitland, well, she said that Mr. Holness should press Mr. Tillerson on matters surrounding the slashing of budgetary support for the assistance program, USAID. She said any move to cut the USAID budget will have some consequences. It will have severe consequences for several programs that have been underpinned by the agency's support. And the professor of political science at Monroe College in New York, actually my very good friend Basil Wilson, said that the focus must be on pressing the United States for more support in fighting crime.
Yeah.
What's next in our
What's
topics?
next? I want to just take a moment to tell Jamaica and remind Jamaica, everybody come from black people. It all began with the African Negro people. And the first ancient Britons had black skin, is what a new study has revealed. Now, black skin, blue eyes, and curly hair is what the DNA test reveals about the extraordinary face of the first ancient Briton and 10,000-year-old Cheddar Man. Now, the Cheddar Man is directly related to 1 in 10 people in the UK, is what they say. And you can see the skeleton there of Cheddar Man, 10,000-year-olds. So the findings were made by cutting-edge genetic tests and facial reconstruction techniques, which was carried out on the bones there of Cheddar Man. You see how Cheddar Man look? There you go. So when they put it together, that's what it looked like. I'm sure some people may be very upset to know.
I also found it interesting when it says experts also reveal that Cheddar Man is directly related to 1 in 10 people living in the UK. Yeah, I found that interesting.
Really?
So you said directly or directly?
It depends on where you live. English
I
is
am
a very...
asking you.
It depends on... I say...
You live in Jamaica?
Direct.
So...
No, but I travel the world. True, you know, fly out. I fly out. So sometimes in different countries.
You just come because we have
I'm just saying.
I am boring.
You said, oh, you live in Jamaica. I said, but there's no
boring.
live in Jamaica anymore with the new world of social
I
media.
live in Jamaica.
So you communicate across... There are no borders now.
Yeah, you cuss me off semi-boring.
No.
We're not compatible.
No.
Right.
Being not compatible is not a problem. Black Panther.
I love you still.
I
Black
cannot
Panther
wait.
Gets 100% approval rate on RottenTomatoes.com.
Yes.
So Black Panther, apparently, folks, is the first black standalone Marvel superhero movie, and won rave reviews on Tuesday with critics praising both its adventure and its portrayal of a majestic Africa. The story of T'Challa, the newly crowned king of the fictional, technologically advanced African nation Wakanda, who is challenged from factions within his own country. So the movie arrives after years of criticism. Remember, we were saying only not enough black people in the movies, and they're not getting,
or how they're being portrayed,
they're not getting the Oscars and stuff like that. Well, there you go. We got one now, folks.
And I'll be going to the premiere. The UNIA premiere on on next Saturday the 19th. But look at the outfits, Neville.
Beautiful.
I could see you in some of those.
Me too.
We need to focus more on the Wakanda Jamaica.
I could have wear the two-shirt, the male.
And I could wear, no, I can't wear the dress with the midriff showing.
Why
I'm
not?
a belly in her back yet.
I mean, wait,
postpartum, 8 months, belly in her look
I
so.
mean, belly in her back, wait, gone.
It out. No back.
You're looking fine.
Yeah, I can't wear that one, but the one on the left, Yeah.
They're beautiful outfits, aren't
Yeah, I
they?
could rock that. Listen, there's nothing more beautiful than the majestic Africa. Do you see my African piece by Jamaican designer Momo Pinelli?
Ooh,
Momo Pinelli.
Momo
Pinelli, yeah,
Okay.
designer. I just want to show
Look at
off my
that. You,
piece.
you look beautiful on television.
Thank you,
You look
Neville.
beautiful here too, but you look
Thank
beautiful
you.
on television.
You're full of compliments today. I really appreciate
And,
it.
and all you do is cussing me.
No, I
So
really,
I'm
I'm
boring.
telling you, I appreciate it. My people, we're going to be here until 8:30 this morning. It's going to be a great morning. We are outside. It's nice and cool.
I have some breaking news.
What's that?
I do have no birthday this morning.
Oh my goodness, the king of birthdays. I have a birthday. I want to say happy birthday to all the children who are born today, especially those in state care, in foster care, children who feel that they're not loved and it's your birthday. Do know that we here at TVJ love you. Walk in your purpose, hold your head high, look in the mirror and say, I love me because I was born for something great. Happy birthday from this Uncle Neville. And
Auntie Empress.
Auntie Empress, we love
Happy
you.
birthday, folks. Have a great day today.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ooh, yeah. We know the key to unity of all people is in the dream